Hello my friends, today we want to show you the replacement of the battery of Peugeot 301. This Peugeot is made in Spain and this is the same as Tara car in Iran and the same as Citroen Eliza and we show you how we can change the battery of this car and you can recharge the battery of this Peugeot. Okay, come here. First we open the cover of the engine. Here we have two cable. One is plus and the negative one. At first you should replace the negative, and we can use some tools to release these. And you can see here we have some corrosion here. This blue things are the corrosion of the battery, and at the end you can remove the plus this way. Okay, and you should remove the ECU from here. We put the ECU here, and we remove the cable to the back here, and there is some bolt here. You should release the bolt. Okay, can you show this bolt? As you can see, this bolt. In this model we have some bolt here and the plate which bolts there. You put it here, and there is some device there. You should remove this device, this item from this place here. In down here you can see that there's this device there, and you remove that device from there, and after that you can release the battery. You can remove the fan. In this way you put the fan here and move it up in this way. Okay, we get back in about 1 minute later. Okay, stop. We're going to clean this box. Okay, that's enough. We clean this place for the battery, and we should clean this corrosion here from here, and we show how we can clean the corrosion, and we will come back again. This is the item I told you we should remove it from here, and you can use for the different sizes in this box. Put it up and put it down in this way. Okay. can use baking soda or baking powder to clean this corrosion from here, and we use it here, and you should clean it totally this way with some water from here. You should be careful because this acid is very harmful for our eyes and your skin. You should dry it after cleaning. You can clean it by toothbrush, and after that dry it with some towel or some other and we should use the grease or some oil for this part. Okay, we are going to clean this part. You should be careful to clean it totally. Use some soda here. To remove the corrosion totally from this part. You should be careful, don't move the water into the battery or inside the battery, and you should clean it and dry it after cleaning. Okay, that's enough. You should dry the battery with some towel or some tissue. Use a towel to clean it totally. Clean the battery. that's enough. Put back the ECU in the case.